Today's program is matref or matrix reverse. In this, basically, what we do is we reverse the numbers of a matrix. So the program is very simple. You just need to know how reversal works in programming. So I'm CGR. Welcome to Education Valley. Today we have another amazing video on the Java program. So let's do it. This is the number we are taking for example to show the reversing process. So let's just go to the code. So this is the code we are using objects and methods to do the job. So first we take input in the array. So here we take the number of rows and columns in the matrix. We take rows and columns. After that we create objects and we initialize all of them with using we initialize and call the methods using that object. Okay, so the constructor is called when the object is created. Inside the constructor we declare these variables and this array. After that we call the fill array. We take input in the array. This is relatively very simple. Enter the numbers in the array in size this and this. This is how we write the variable with string together in an output. So after that we take, since it is a 2D array, so we take two loops to fill that array ij in dot next int. Perfect. Once we have filled the array, we call the method show. Method show calls the reverse. Okay, so after we have taken input, it's inside. Generally we take input in a linear way, so we are giving input 1 2 3 4, like the numbers are in linear, so we need to show that matrix in the form of a matrix in 2D array, 2 dimension. So that's what we do with this two loops. We again declare the same loops as we did before to take the input, and we just change the output statement and take system.out.print. After that add a space for adding in the rows. After that we leave space to go to the next row. This is how we output the array. After that we have to reverse, since it is a matrev in which the output is the reversal of the previous array. The numbers in the array are reversal of the previous array, so we just do the same and call the reverse of and supply with the numbers to reverse that number. Pretty simple. Just two loops, and then we just call a reversal array to reverse the numbers. Let's see how numbers are reversed in programming. So this is the example 2695. When we divide by 10, it will be 269, 296 and 0. So 5 will be left as as remainder, so that we can get directly by using modulus. So this is how we do it. So you divide it by 10, or you write modulus 10 mod, so it will have 5, and you create a space in that variable before adding each number. So here we added 5. After that we create space, multiply 5 by 10 and modulus again the previous number which was left, and we get the other digit. We keep adding. After that we again multiply it by 10. Every time we multiply by 10 and add a space for the next variable to come, and add the next variable by using modulus to that number. So 2695 divide by 10 divide by 10 divide by 10 divide by 10. All the remainders we catch by using modulus 10 and keep adding by adding space in before that number by multiplying by 10. So that's how you reverse a number. So each and every number is sent to this reverse method to be reversed. So here x is equals to, so this is the code. So that's this was the theory. This is the code to reverse the number. Since till x is 0, this is a while loop. It will run. This is not a recursion, this is a normal while loop. So it will run till x is greater than 0. So see, this is the x. Till it will be greater than 0, it will keep running. So x z is equals to it's creating space to be added for the next number. It gets added. After that, x is equal to x by z, x by 10. So 2695, which is x at the moment, is multiplied so that the last digit is removed. So every time we keep removing the last digit, and at the end it will end up in 0, because 2 divided by 10 is 0, because 0 is the only number that can divide it. So that's how you do it. After, at the last, we return z, and z is transferred and printed according to how you print the array. So this was the simple program to reverse the numbers of the matrix. I hope you understood it. If you have any question, ask. Otherwise, okay, so let's run the program once.
3, 3, numbers in array of 3, 3, 23, 44, 12, 09, 90, 87, 78, 96, 81,
67. Okay, so original matrix was this, and the reverse matrix is this. As you can see, each and every number is reversed except the single digit number, of course. So thank you.